Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Today, we create color harmony using color lookup layers. Start by opening your image in Photoshop and observing the dominant colors. Color harmony is about balance and flow. Add a color lookup adjustment layer and preview LUTs that gently unify tones across the image. Select one that brings colors closer together without flattening contrast. Reduce the opacity so the harmony feels natural. Add a curves adjustment layer to control brightness and contrast. Next, use color balance to subtly